Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create custom transform orientations in Blender for faster, more accurate modeling. When modeling in Blender, you'll typically be transforming and deforming meshes along either the global axes, which are the global X, Y, and Z directions, or the local axes, which are the X, Y, and Z directions specific to the selected object, taking into account its rotation. By default, whilst moving, scaling, or rotating in Blender, pressing X, Y, or Z will select one of the three global axes, also known as transform orientations, whilst double pressing X, Y, or Z will select one of the three local axes. However, in more complex modeling situations, we might need to, for example, move a section of a mesh parallel to another one of its faces, and in this case, neither the global or local axes are of any help. Instead, we can create a custom set of transformation axes by selecting an edge, usually corresponding to the direction that we want to transform in, going to the Transform Orientations drop-down and pressing the plus icon. You will now see your custom transform orientation at the bottom of the list. I'm going to rename mine Angled Wall. In my case, I'd like to take this archway and the door inside it and move the whole assembly along this wall. So I'm going to select everything, switch to edit mode and vertex select mode, make sure X-ray is enabled, and select the relevant vertices. Now, when I go to transform the vertices, selecting the Y-axis will transform them along the edge I selected when creating my custom transformation axes, and my doorway remains perfectly aligned with the wall as I transform it. If I select the X or Z axes, we will transform perpendicular to the edge we selected when creating the axes. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.